Namaste. Today, the 21st of June, Friday, International Yoga Day. On this day, let us have a small meditation, a meditation on the throat chakra. The intent of this guided healing meditation on the throat chakra is to heal our throat chakra. Our throat chakra is associated with the self-esteem and self-worth. The endocrine glands that are associated with the throat chakra are the thyroid and the thymus. All the chakras in the body are finally interconnected, but the direct impact of the throat chakra is on the heart chakra and the third eye chakra. 3 deep breaths. Breathe out through the mouth. The deeper you breathe, the more you relax. The more you relax, the deeper you breathe. With each and every breath that you take in positive energies, throwing out all stresses, tensions, toxins, anxieties, and fears, throwing them out totally and completely. Feel the divine light entering through your foot soles, and as you allow them to penetrate, your foot soles start to relax, relaxing and expanding. As you further permit, the light will penetrate through your ankles, the calf muscles and the shin, the knees, the thighs, the pelvic region, the lower back, and the lower abdomen. As you permit, the white light will move up the spine, further relaxing you, the middle back and the abdominal region, further moving up your upper back and the chest region. As you permit, the light will move up the neck, the scalp, the forehead, the temples, eyes, knees, nose, cheeks, chin, jaw, and the lips. The earlobes are totally covered with the divine healing white light, moving down your throat towards the shoulders and the collarbone, the chest region to the pit of your stomach. You are totally and completely covered with the divine light, feeling very, very light, very, very light, very, very light. Scanning your body from the head to the toe. Scan your body for any heaviness anywhere in the body. As you scan your body, if you find any spots in your body where you feel tightness or heaviness, instructing your mind to send your breath there, re-energizing and rejuvenating that part, letting go of all that we are holding on to. Expand, 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 feeling as light as a feather. Drawing your attention to your breath and taking your attention gently through your throat chakra, the front and the back. Observe the color of the chakra, the color that your chakra, throat chakra is reflecting. Observe it. The beautiful petals of the throat chakra, the 16 petals, allowing the beautiful light, the divine light to balance your throat chakra, the chakra of creativity and expression. Observing your shoulders, your jaws, your chest region and the throat, and the front and the back of your throat. Observing the sensations, any tightness in the jaws of the withheld or not spoken words, all that you wanted to communicate, which you are holding back. Any repressed or suppressed anger that you may feel, observe it and ask yourself, how is it serving you? Is there a need to hold on to those experiences, those unspoken words, which are troubling you, creating tensions in your jaws? It's time for you to let it go, to forgive and forget, letting go of all the tensions that have come up in your jaws. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Observe the burden you carry of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions, of the responsibilities that you carry in your life on your shoulders. The burden of the unspoken words. Liberating yourself completely from it. Feel yourself expanding. Imagine yourself expanding. Letting go. Letting go. Letting go. Drawing your attention to the throat and all the things, all the point of views, all the belief systems that you have created, any new ideas that you want to take in. Are you open to it? Any choking in the throat, where you're stopping yourself or blocking yourself from bringing about new ideas into your space. Are you opening your doors to go and find out about the new possibilities that you may encounter with these new ideas, willing to change and bring about a change, and liberating yourself from the limiting patterns in which one is stuck, the strong belief systems that we have put in place, stopping us from reaching great heights. The low self-esteem and the self-worth, stopping us from expressing, blocking our creativity. Ask yourself, are you willing to set yourself free Expand, expand, expand. And let go, let go, let go. Any tightness in your throat, the neck, the shoulders, or the jaws, allowing the divine light to penetrate deeper and let go of all these limiting beliefs and the memories of those experiences that we are carrying. Being with yourself, accepting yourself, and accepting all that you have encountered in your life. Forgiving others and forgetting about those instances and events to turn a new leaf in your life. Slowly and gently feel the expansion of your throat chakra, the bridge between the physical and the spiritual world. Letting go of all the poisonous thoughts that are holding you back, liberating you completely. Balancing the throat chakra to liberate yourself and to rise to higher planes into the spiritual world. Observe, expand, let go, forgive and forget, forgive and forget. Drawing your attention now gently back to your breath, being with your breath. And we will do a few rounds of Omkar, A-O-M, to let go of all that has come up for healing right now. Gently feel the vibrations of the Omkar as they rise from the root chakra to your crown. Om 3 more times. One more. Hands in Namaskar position, thanking yourself for taking the initiative to go through this meditation, thanking your parents, your guiding angels, masters, gurus, teachers, and praying to the Lord. Anasayena maranam, vinadenena jivanam, dehantetam sannidhyam, देहि मे परमेश्वरम. अनासायेन मरणम बिना दैनेन जीवनम देहांते तम सन्निध्यम देहि मे परमेश्वरम. अनासायेन मरणम बिना दैनेन जीवनम देहांते तम सन्निध्यम देहि मे परमेश्वरम. Being with yourself, and when you're ready, rubbing your hands together, gently placing your palms on your eyes, loving touch to your complete face and body, and slowly and gently coming back here in the now, totally integrated, fresh and fine. The meaning of the mantra is to liberate ourselves from any dependency, maybe physical, mental, emotional or spiritual. I hope you all enjoyed this session, the guided healing meditations. And if you're interested, you can always contact me for more. Your journey towards healing begins here. Om Gan Ganeshaya Namaha.